Ever wondered how investigators know what happened after a plane crash? Meet the black box. Despite its name, it's bright orange, not black. Every aircraft has two black boxes. One records flight data like speed, altitude, and engine performance. The other records cockpit voices, alarms, and pilot conversations. These boxes are built to survive fire, deep oceans, and heavy impact. After a crash, they send a ping signal to help rescuers find them. The black box doesn't stop crashes, but it helps make flying safer for the future.